Last time we created our 4 blueberry objects, but this time we're going to make the game have a displayed score. So we want to go into our world class, and then when we're creating it, we're going to have a score button. So there's this method called show text. You give it a string to show, and we're going to change this to hello world, because that's just what we have to do as programmers, and we're going to put it right at the top in the middle. 600 over 2, which we could just write as 300, doesn't matter, and we're going to give it a little bit of a buffer. I'll change that to 50 for now, and we'll see. Hello world. So we're going to create a variable here, and it's going to be called public int score. And we don't need to initialize it quite yet, but what we will do is we'll say score equals 0 right after we create this world, and then we're going to display the score. And then we're going to score. This is how you display a score with a string in front of it. So you say quotation mark, what you want inside of it, and I put a space in here, quotation mark plus the score. So we're just going to tag that right on the end of it, and now it's going to say score 0. We change this to a big score. That's what we show here. Started off at 0. Okay, so we want to increase the score when the food is removed. So we're going to say MyWorld equals MyWorld get world. This is just a little step you have to put in here. Don't worry about it. World dot, and then we have every method in here. We're actually just going to change this to a static. World dot score equals world dot score plus 1. So now every time we get rid of this blueberry, we're going to increase the score by 1. Let's give that a shot. Run. Score is 0 right now. I see. This is important. We're not changing the text. We're going to copy this, and everything in Greenfoot has this thing called act. Public void act. We're just going to put this in our act cycle, and then watch it change. Score is 1. We come over here. 2, 3, and then we can get up to our max score of 4. So now we have to collect all the food in our world, and our score goes up.